All right. Don't comment on the wind noise. It's Florida. It's hot. Fans are gonna be on. All right. So, anyways, I got somebody asking me to test the new Nomad. The new Nomad push-up pole fiberglass. Basically portable. It's a little bit heavy, but it is portable. This is the survival antenna they sell on Amazon by the military vet that makes them. We're going to put it on that pole on the highest mark, and we're going to put it up in the air, and we're going to see how stable it is with just that pole, no guy wires. So let's see what happens. If the video sucks, you won't see it. Alright, so let's get a pole. Get our pole out. Let's dump out the goodies that are in it. What are we going to need out of here? We're going to need this top disc, right? I already drilled a hole out in the yard with an auger. And anyways, we're gonna see what we can get out of it. Well, you know, let me get a jump on that. Got it started. I gotta untie my cord here. If you guys are interested on how to hank up your rope so it'll unfurl like that, unfurl. It's not a flag. Anyways, if you need a tip on that, let me know. I'll show you how to do it, or you can just Google it. All right. So let's undo our bow line, or bowline, however you want to pronounce it. It's up to you. Don't tell me I did it wrong, because I'll do it the way I want to do it, and you do it the way you want to do it. Anyways, let's pull this through, and we're gonna tie a slippery half hitch. Right? That's a little too slippery. So there's our slippery half hitch. Nope, that ain't gonna work. We'll have to put a stop knot behind it. With maybe another slippery half hitch. That way maybe the whole thing will just absolutely come undone whenever I get ready to take it undone. Alright, let's go out in the yard. Don't mind my mess. It's my mess, not your mess. Don't comment on it. Alright, so here's the hole. Oh, I might not have made it big enough. So that's about 8 inches deep. Last time y'all saw me do this, I went about 18. I decided that might be too much. Alright, so it looks like the disc is going to stop at the almost highest point. Well, actually, it is the highest point of the usable antenna. So let's pull, twist and pull, pull, twist and pull, pull, twist and pull, and don't let this little sucker get too far out of your way. Alright, let's see. We got a piece of coax, just for poops and grins. Do I have it in here? I should have it in here, but it doesn't look like I do. It's alright. It's okay. If it's gonna be a little bitty. Alright, where's that antenna bag? There it is. Ooh! The antenna bag has a piece of coax in it. Bad signal coming in on Sarnet, no doubt. Let's use this one. You know, because it's brand new, why not? Let's pop its cherry right here for this video. Get my sack out of my pocket. I'll get your mind out of the gutter. Sack is a Swiss Army knife. Nice. Father's Day present. Love that. Probably could use my sack to cut the tie wrap. but I'm gonna use my air one. Throw that over there near the garbage can, but it'll probably hit the floor. Like I said, it's my mess, not your mess. Alright, let's get back out here. We will. Oh my goodness. Never ends, does it? I think I got another doodad over there. But let's just go ahead and do it the hard way, because it's also the heavy way. And since we are testing this to see the weight in which this Nomad23 DX Engineering pole is going to be able to handle. Just went kayaking. So the kayaks are over there instead of over there. Because I went kayaking, the grass is up there instead of down there. Alright. Hopefully this is recording and hopefully we are getting it done. Alright. Now, we already got a little bit of bow in our poe. Uh-oh. Nope, no uh-ohs. Well, that's all 23 feet, I think. Yeah, 8 inches in the ground, 23-ish. Like say, I never measured it. I'm going by what they're telling me. But that's quite a bit of load on that pole, and you can see it's not bowing much. If you were to put the other ring on, which shows 14 feet, it's about right there. You can't see that, and I can't see what I'm doing. But anyways, about 14 feet. You can guy it, make it a little bit straighter if you want. Let's, uh-oh. There's Sarnet. Got any radios around here? There's one. That's on the wrong frequency, though. Here's one right here. Oh, there went an antenna, hit the ground. Here's, where's this wire going? Okay, so this is it right here. This antenna is 20 feet high. How do we get a radio connected to it? Oh, I just connected an antenna to an antenna. What a dork. I gotta find a radio. Oh, here's an HT. Alright. It's a Baofeng. Big Baofeng. Here goes 5.2, maybe. I'm not sure. KO4TNL, KO4TNL, CQ, CQ, CQ.
CQ, K4AIB.
K4AIB. Where's K4AIB at right now?
Just leaving house.
Alright, you are just leaving the house. That puts you 8 miles away on my vertical emergency survival antenna on a 5-watt output radio. It's an excellent signal, by the way.
I got bit that one. I'm on the move in the neighborhood, so try it again.
Yeah, weird thing is I'm not getting audio out of this HT. I'm only hearing it on the other radio.
KQ4UAT. This is KQ4UAT requesting a 30 seconds.
What was that, Tim?
KQ4UAC W4EST, do you copy?
K4AIB, KO4TNL.
KO4TNL, K4AIB.
Yeah, roger that. I must have a tone or something on that 5.2 stored in this radio. That's weird.
I think that's your last transmission. I should get your call sign. This is KQ4UAT. Here's one, bro. Copy. 20.
I'm at home, 32 miles from the repeater. I'm doing a video right now, so let me say bye to the video people. Anyways, there's our test. We made it 32 miles to the repeater, 8 miles to a simplex station on a mobile. That's pretty good for that antenna. As you saw, the pole's not sagging too much, and here we go. See y'all later.